What is happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. In this video we're gonna unbox the Xiaomi 15 that just came on my desk, and this one is the black version. So let's go right away and unbox this bad boy. Comes in this nice white box and kind of looks like this Leica logo here is like the big thing, you know? Alright, here it is. Nice compact Leica Simulux optical lens, leading AI experience, Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, Xiaomi Shield Glass, Crystal Res, dynamic 1 to 120 Hz AMOLED, 5240 milliamp hour type Xiaomi Surge battery. Nice. Oh, right. So this really feels a nice compact type of phone. Nice square camera module. Really curious to see how this works in terms of image quality, video quality and stuff like that. Pretty sure the photo will be nice in good lighting conditions, but I'm not sure about video. You know, I think still iPhone is still one of the best, if not the best in terms of video. Second then comes I think Samsung, then everything else behind it. So I'm gonna do a quick install and check out the photos and videos as the first impression. And so far this thing goes pretty smooth, I have to say. Like, really nice to see how smooth it is. So let's see. All right, so we'll come back in a few minutes, or not, because we also have some different things here. We also got this box that I almost forgot that I also need to unbox. We got here the SIM card tool thingy. We got a USB-C to USB-A cable and some things like documents that we're never going to use. And here a nice soft case for the phone. So why not use it? This feels like a very nice compact phone. So just to give you an example how small it is, this one is an iPhone 12. And the iPhone 12 is like bigger or wider. Does that make any sense? So yeah, we got a big phone, small phone, all types of phones. The Xiaomi 15. It feels quite narrow. Kind of reminds me of the Samsung Flip in terms of wideness, but it feels really nice, compact. Kind of reminds me as well as to the Nothing phone. All right, so let's take the first photo, guys. The first photo will be of me, I guess. So there is a countdown. I just saw it in a little screen. And let's see. Looks pretty good. Selfie. So there is some AI generation thing coming. I don't know what it is. Let's do a quick video. Let's do 4K 30 frames per second. I'm gonna use, of course, 8K. We can do 8K, guys. So this right here, what you're seeing right now, is on the Xiaomi 15 8K 30 frames per second. How does it look? Does it look good? I think it looks pretty okay. I think in the studio environment, studio between brackets environment. And what do you think? Do you think it looks good? I think it should look good 8K, but I'm not sure with the colors and everything. Anyways, let's switch back to the normal things. All right, so there you go, guys. So first impression so far, feels good in the hand. Things are going smooth, it's fast, no real weird things, no hiccups. Camera opens fast. I think this is a great phone so far. If you want to see the full review, it will be coming in a couple of weeks or so I can test it out really nicely. Gonna check out everything, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if not already. Like the video, comment down below what do you want to see about this Xiaomi 15 or even the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Just let me know in the comment section down below. As always, stay safe, stay happy, and good luck.